Hi sweetie, this is Sogan. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to teach you the pattern of a back strap or curtain strap. So let's see. Start the slip knot and chain 3. 1, 2, 3 chains. Yarn will like this. Go under, go left. This is my yarn over. Again, go under, go left. Insert your hook into the back loop of first chain and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Turn your work, yarn over. You will see 2 loops on the side. Insert your hook into the second loop on the side and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Turn your work, yarn over. You will see 3 loops on the side. Yarn over, insert your hook into these 3 loops on the side and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Turn your work, yarn over, insert your hook into these 3 loops on the side and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Repeat again and again until you reach the desired length. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook into these 3 loops on the side and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Keep going. Now I reach my desired length. Like and subscribe for more video tutorials. Bye!